Me hoping that things are working. Bloody hell. Uh, okay. At this point in time, I'm very sorry that I do not know either OBS. I did update OBS today only, so there is a good chance that this update is not stable. So because again my camera is working, it's just that it's dropping connection too much. I'm getting too much what you call fail to connect server. I restarted it. Yes, I just hope like a lot of people can basically connect to this stream. I'll just share it to wherever I can. Yeah, it's not new webcam, my man. It's a very, very, very expensive camera. Very, very expensive. I'll talk about that. Just I'm very what you call tired of this mistake. So I think the OBS update may have been a bad decision. Okay, so I'm updating it here. I'm updating in basically post. Let me create a post. So let's just see. I'm hoping. Ah, come on. Just a moment. Copy link address. Yeah. I'm hoping, just I'm hoping. I'm very sorry. It's like this was a mistake. This was a very, very, very bad mistake, but okay. This is well the best I can do. Okay, let me just put it on Telegram also. Uh, I'll just hold up. Just I'm coming to you guys. I'm very, very, very sorry. Where the heck is Telegram? Where is Telegram? Okay. Yep. See, what I'm trying to do is basically make sure that everybody gets the update. So, uh, it's like, my apologies. This is messy, but such is life. Things happen. What the heck? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. At least now I'm hopeful. Again, I created a new system. Are you guys getting 60 FPS or are you getting same? Holy damn. Is 60 FPS is working? It should be working. Anyway, okay. Okay. Let's just move past this technical difficulties. I'm hoping that things are fine. Okay. Fingers crossed. A new stream key has been created. A new setup. I've shared it everywhere I could. Okay. Let's go. I'm very sorry for the mess up at the beginning. Damn, 15 minutes wasted. Okay, audio video looking good. Video looks good. Yes, video looks good because it's output of this puppy. Yes, I'm finally at full frame. Ta-da! A7 5. Ta-da! So this, and not to mention, that's just the camera. To make sure that I get quality, your boy has got this 2.8 G Master 2. So, yeah. So let's just say my scope of the equipment has gone up exponentially. Basically, after almost, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure almost going from 10-year-old DSLR, I directly went into this brand new mirrorless. Yeah, it is expensive. It is expensive as hell. YouTube money. No, I did not pay for it. I did not pay for it. For 720. No, no, it should be full HD. You should be able to get full HD. I'm seeing full HD. So again, I do not know what happened. Like either it could be OBS. I might try to revert it back to older save, but again, things as messy. Okay, okay. All things considered, let's go ahead. Yeah. Update on case, let it drag on. Again, tomorrow there will not be any shot because A, I could not have time to record it. B, I will make a year-end wrapping up video. I should have created this basically last week, but problem was I required like I have ordered things early on. Like the moment the camera came online in Indian market, I ordered it, but it took too long to deliver. And like this is generally my delivery experience is okayish, not great, not terrible. But this time it was so terrible. Like this camera, I'm not joking. This happened last Saturday. It's like okay. Blue Dart has like tracking. Okay, I'm tracking it. First of all, the company was weird. Company showed that you can click it and order it like lensinfo.com or something, design info or something like that. So I ordered everything basically: camera, lens, memory card. Oh, this also. I haven't opened it yet. I will open it again. Not again, as in like I will open it once I get the adapter. We'll talk about that. So I ordered all these 4 things and they shared 3 shipping address, meaning it came in pieces. So I was expecting, because again, that site is dedicated for camera equipment only. So I was expecting like I'm going to get a big box and I'm going to do an unboxing and all that. I got in segments, and the camera, they were like, sir, we don't actually have the camera. We are waiting for it. I was like, why did you took the money if you were waiting for it? But okay, things happen. But they shipped it and it got lost. Not even joking, it got lost by Blue Dart. It's like, and I'm not joking, in the tracking it says contact customer care. I'm like, how the heck that's a contacting option? Like, how? How can you lose the camera? So that was genuinely frustrating. And after a long while, I finally got the camera. And again, this I ordered from the same site where I ordered all these things, but I ordered the adapter. Basically, there is an adapter for this mic specifically, DJI Mic 3. There is a DJI mic adapter that is for DJI Mic 2, which my brother has. This is Mic 3. You need a different adapter. I think somebody in DJI watched one of my old video. If you watch one of my Camera Tuesday video, I have talked about it. Like, you should not have analog audio transmission. If you have USB, use that. You know what the adapter does? It has a USB-C port. And again, it is very clever from their point of view. They do not have to remake the adapters. The Mic 2 adapter is specific to Mic 2. They have to remake it again for different things. So they threw it away. Mic 3. That works on Mic Mini and Mic 3. And I'm pretty sure if they make version 4, it will work with that also, because it's a USB-C port. So they have a Sony hot shoe adapter and a USB chip. So they both talk to each other and ta-da, it works. So I'm gonna get that. And I ordered it. And here's the deal. It came tomorrow. Yay! I opened the box. It was something different. I'm not joking. This is another shipping company using another shipping, basically another shipping company using another, what you call, DTDC, not Blue Dart, DTDC. And they were like, this time, shopping company messed up. This time it's like, sir, sorry, sir, we sent your product to someone else and he received your product and you received what he ordered. So there was a mix up. How the heck you can mix up nowadays in automated system, but you did. And I'm not joking. In the Hindi live stream, I literally had to stop the streaming and go outside and actually this time I'm using delivery. They have like come and collect kind of service. So I give them the parcel. Hopefully before next week I should have hopefully finally have I will do the mic unboxing and all that. So whew. No, not brother, not brother. It is related to YouTube. If you have seen how I got my computer, is the same individual who gave me my computer, gave me this. How did I get sponsored by a company? I'm watching Full HD 60. Yeah, Full HD 60. Okay. New Year gift from someone. Yeah, sort of. Are you cashing out your Rocket Life investment now? Has it grown? No. I don't have a feeling for that. Like, although my brother was saying, I'm not joking. My brother was saying like when it got like 50%, and I think it happened in 2-3 weeks, and I showed my brother, is like, hey, see 50%. He's like, bro, cash it out, man. I was like, nah. I have a feeling. Again, your boy has a feeling. I can't guarantee it. It's not an investor, what you call, advice or something like that. It's just I have a feeling that they will have a Neutron, and if it goes boom at the first launch, I'll buy again because that will dip the market. And I have a feeling they will get a Neutron sorted and it will fly. If it flies in one go, the stock will go. If it goes boom, that will be, I'll risk it one more, I'll buy again, and if it flies again, then it will bounce back. Again, that's my feeling. That's just vibes. It's not science, it's mathematics, just vibes. Your brother is also YouTube? No, my brother is a doctor. He does dabble into YouTube. Like I'm a full-time YouTuber, he's not. Okay, I'm watching the same resolution, but quality is way better. Yeah, that's the whole point. See, here's the, even if you have compression, right? Like there is a bonkers amount of compression. Like this camera, let's say the sensor is giving GG data, but here's the sensor is not raw. Like I don't have SoC that does the raw. It's not a cinema camera, so that gets compressed. So far, how much energy data is lost? A lot, but perception negligible. So after that, it goes compressed again to send through USB-C. And that is a big compression loss. After that, it goes to OBS. OBS re-encodes it, again quality loss, sends it to YouTube, again quality loss, because now YouTube have to go and then ship it to all of you guys. Yeah, so YouTube sends it via AV1 or VP9. You can check in, stats for nuts, and it will show it is VP9 or AV1. So you can see what you're. So there is a lot of compression. However, compression has the same law of computer, as in garbage in equals garbage out, meaning same amount of compression was happening with my Logitech C92, but again the lens was tiny, the sensor was microscopic compared to this. This is big, like I'm not joking. It is big, like the lens element, entry element is big, aperture huge, sensor huge, full frame sensor huge. So benefit of that is it has so much data, so much optical quality, that even after compression it should look like smooth butter. So I'm just hoping things should look good. And again, ISO wise, I have set ISO bit high. It is 2500, but again, that's still below its second ISO. And although I do have to say, this is confusing to me. It's like on my TV, it's looking yellowish. On my Sony A7 side monitor, it is looking like almost bluish. So it's confusing. Again, I have not sorted all the settings. This is a complex camera, so it will take a lot of time. Let's be real, it's going to take a lot of time for me to master it. And again, my aim with this camera is not like, take the photo, take the logarithmic and do blah blah blah. No, mine is set the camera in such a way that I capture the footage at the end. I do not want to do things to it. So that's how it is. Yeah, smooth, okay, bye, smooth. Yeah, I hope 60 fps smooth. Someone gifted very generous. Again, let that be very clear, my bank account is empty, but I have very, what you call, generous people. And intelligence wise, it's not even this. How many members you have in this channel? I think only few, 2 or 3 maybe. In the channel, thankfully it has grown more than 100. So this channel is like, I'm not joking. Sometimes I do wonder why I'm maintaining this English channel, but again, then I realize I have to do it. If I don't, I'll forget English very quickly. So I have to maintain it. So that being said, so this is gonna be a very, very shoot, edit, upload fast. Yeah, that's my aim. Like I don't. That's why I'm not opening this puppy up. Like that's why I want to. Like I have a Rode mic. This is a good mic. And again, right now it's weaker, not because like the hardware is faulty, it's just that battery has worn out. And again, I have said that time and time again. No, I will not reveal how much money I make, but like again, I'm not gonna starve to death. Your high cherry bald head is blinding. So color is good on my screen. Yeah, it should look good. And again, it's a LG TV, so, and again, decent one at that. So I'm hopeful that it should look good. High try bald look. Not yet, not yet, not yet. I will. Does it have limit on video recording? No, that's the whole reason I bought it. Oh, this is one thing you guys have to understand. Try to update equipment after a long jump. Like long jump. To give you a context how long my jumps are, when I upgraded on my computer went from DDR3 to DDR5. I did not even touch DDR4. I just yeeted it. I went from GTX 1070 to RTX 4070. So I always take this sort of big, what you call, paramount jumps. And again, I'm poor, that's why I have to do that. It's not like Linus Tech Tips, whereas like I'm doing every launch I can update. I don't have that kind of moolah, so to say. And this camera, because you have to understand, my actual experience, not YouTube and all that, my actual experience is coming from this puppy. And again, I do not hate this. I used to hate that it had 30-minute limit, but again, I learned that it's not the fault of Canon, it's fault of European Union cocaine. So once they removed that, recording limit, I could buy Canon cameras that did not have limits. So okay, I used Canon, I'm okay with that. Then why didn't I buy Canon again? Well, problem is Canon has become a bit too of a bitchy camera company. Like, I'm not joking. This camera, again, it's old camera. It's not a brand new camera. This I think I bought when I was in Bangalore, like 8 or 10 years ago. So ancient camera, Canon 800 type. When this was launched, I bought it. I'm pretty sure just few months after that. This is APS-C. You will not see the sensor, but you will see the mirror. So, you see, it's a very small. It's a very small. So I bought this, and that time it was one of the most expensive purchase I did, because I was not making a lot of money as a game artist, but I poured everything. And again, I always desired a DSLR. So, and my mom always had a simple saying: make money and spend money. Don't ask for money, just make money and spend money. So I did. And was it a good decision? Because again, I did not even buy the kit lens. This is my first camera, like first serious camera, which I bought my own money, not my father's money, not anyone else, my own money. And I went all out like a proper 800D. That time 750D was available. It was cheaper, but it did not have dual pixel autofocus. This came out with dual pixel autofocus. That's why I bought this exact model. And lens, I did not cheap out and got a kit lens. I bought a 17-50 f2.8. Again, it's APS-C, so it's equivalent of f4, but I bought this. And it made my whole YouTube career a thing. This literally led to this. So I would say this was a very good decision. Although what Canon has become now, it's very pathetic, for lack of a better term. And the primary reason, one of the Sony's biggest selling point right now is that because Sony sells so much that my companies, and I'm not just talking about DJI, DJI is one, there is another Hollyland. There are two companies, both of them make something like this, and they have adapter which you can directly plug into Sony Hot Shoe and do digital audio transmission. And again, right now in that camera, I had two adaptive noise cancellation on the editing side. I do not want to do that. My end game is I record, I put the file, and I chop, basically start and end, and the end. Do not want to do anything. Every single click I can remove is necessary for me. Why? I record a minimum 2 videos per day, continuously. And again, live stream on Saturdays, shorts on Sundays. That's my like years. That's what I've been doing. So you have to understand, when I say I have to save out every second of time, it actually matters. And again, now I think my camera computer is actually flexing, because I went from, like, you know, that camera's output full HD. Thankfully all I frame was available. But again, very low bit rate, 8-bit file, 420, and to this puppy, this has 422, meaning double the color, and 10-bit, so lot of color resolution, and all-I, and at 4K. So the file size are bonkers. Canon 800D amounts to 10 years old. I can guarantee at least 8 or half. I can guarantee minimum 8, that I am sure of, because again, I'm completely reaching 8-year point of this YouTube channel. So I'm pretty sure 8 or 9, because I was at job. I have not quit the job yet. So that was there. So the files are bonkers, like 60 gigabyte is the video file size for what you call 30-minute video file is around 60 gigabytes. It's a lot. And one thing I am disappointed that USB-C, even though it is doing handshake of 10 Gbps, the card is capable of going up to 1800, meaning almost it would require 20 Gbps handshake to maintain 2 gigabytes per second. The card is rated for 1800, so it should be able to saturate 10, as in 1 gigabyte without any issue. The camera only goes to 500. That was very underwhelming of Sony. Again, this part I have to say that almost no camera reviewer ever mentioned it. Is like, how is the card reader? Like, cameras have card reader, cameras claim they have USB-C, claim they have, like, you know, 10 Gbps, this has that interface speed, and yes, it does work. I installed a new software, USB Linktree. And that actually shows you, is it handshaking to 10 Gbps, is it handshaking to 5 Gbps, or is it 20 Gbps? So, and yes, my motherboard has that sort of port, and yes, I have connected it with the SSD that is running at 7000. So if camera will not be bottlenecked, but camera would never exceeded 500. And nobody has, in whole of YouTube, nobody has actually done testing. So I think I should start a, like, you know, call to action sort of thing, where it's like, please test your camera's card reader. But again, that part is underwhelming, but it's not bad, because again, I'm coming from SD card on a card reader that was barely giving me 250. So from jumping from 250 to 400, it's 2x the speed. File size is much bigger, but you know, I can live with that. Oh, but rendering, ooh, that was the most worried part about me. It's like I was worried. It's like, what if it takes freaking too long to render? And then my computer is like, allow me to flex. 10-minute go. Basically, my old computer that I used to use before this computer took 40 to 50 minutes on this puppy. 40-50 minutes of video rendering time on this. And when I upgraded to new computer, it was like 2-3 minutes. So I was worried, okay, I'm gonna go back to like, that long video because again, file size is huge. The camera is like, computer is like, bruh, don't worry about it. I got this. I got this. Me good. 10 minutes. And not to mention, it does not even freeze up. The old computer, again, it's a AMD Bulldozer FX8 350. So it used to freeze up. I could not do anything. I just lay down when it's rendering. Now I'm like, oh, it's rendering. Now I'm doing the thumbnail and all that. So it's now I think I can utilize the full horsepower of my CPU. Didn't you have 3070? No, no, no. 1070. GTX 1070, not 1070. Trim to 0 number, you look good. Currently, it looks shabby. We'll see. Does not have video limit. How much time you record video for? Generally, as long as you see, if you see a video that is oh, that is the biggest annoying part. I generally never go above 30 minutes, but I always have a scenario where camera recording has to be stopped because again, 30 minutes it stops and then I have to re-record. And so if I cut it, turns out it's only 31 minutes, but I have 2 files to deal with. This camera should illuminate that problem. So that is there. And I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful with this camera that I should, again, if I really want to talk dramatic, I can do this. Dramatic. Dramatic compression. Let me just tilt it up a bit. Yo. Dramatic. Dramatic flare. Background disappear. How much minute this camera can record? As long as it does not overheat. So this camera can keep working. It's just that as long as it does not overheat, it will keep working. It does not even have that 2-hour recording limit, for some reason Nikon cameras have. Yeah, I'm flexing. So that is there. Only watch your face movement. Watch your hand movement while talking. Yeah, I can go very wide also, like ludicrously wide. Let me go wide. Da, 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 da. 24 to 70, my boys. 24 to 70. So it is, I think this much is tight. Yeah. Yeah, I think this much is tight. I think this is decent enough, like not too loose, too tight or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with that. You look like a movie super villain. Yeah. I hope so. I bloody spent a lot of money. Not my money, but money. And oh my god, like I'm not joking. Like I wanted to show you guys my fume extractor, that physical one that I wanted to make as a product. I'm not joking. This happened on a Hindi live stream. I literally got a call. I was like, okay, maybe I'll get to unbox it on the, or at least do for tomorrow's video. He messaged me. It's like, sir, Monday. And that should have happened on 28. The delivery should have happened on 28. It is so bad. Like I'm genuinely shocked how bad luck I had. Like heck, I'm not even joking. Amazon. So I had Amazon that is delayed. I should have gotten magnesium oxide on 1. This is 3. It has not happened yet. So most likely I'll get it tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. So either it's lost or it's gone. Magnesium oxide delivery is delayed. The camera delivery was very delayed. I think a bit too much headroom. There is a bit too much headroom. Yeah. So that delivery is also very delayed and all that. Camera delivery was delayed. Oh, the adapter that I bought from another company, because again DJI might be banned, so they are not selling all the equipment yet. So I bought it from China, and I thought I bought it from Indian seller. Turns out it was directly banned, so I had to do KYC and all that. They shipped my product to someone else, and his product came to my house. So I had to do shipping again, and he has to do shipping from his end in order to, like, get the thing sorted. So I have to say it has been a hectic session of shipping and all that. Like, even though I planned everything that before one I should show you like what the hell I did this year 2025, but such is life. Venezuela got freedom. Yes, things are getting hot in Venezuela. I have to observe it again. I just heard about it because again I was busy with these things. Heck, I just finished recording Monday's video, which should have happened yesterday, but like I'm a bit too loose, too unfocused now. So yeah, that's the thing. You're certainly enjoying the enjoying with the new camera. Actually, that's the tragic part. I do not have time. Like let that be very clear. It's not time that I don't have enough hours in the day. I have, because I'm like so sloppy nowadays. Is that like barely getting work done. So why DJI might be banned? Oh, it's a drone issue. It's banned. It's already getting banned in America, and in India also. I'm seeing some sort of rumor. So again, I do not know whether it will happen or not, but it is affecting it. Meaning this mic is like few months old. Few months old. Although this product is not that old. 2025 8. So this is not old like packaging. It's not very old. But the adapter was not sold. Although they did a very clever thing like USB-C, making sure that they have USB-C port in the adapter, make sure that mic mini and mic 3 will work on that, and I can guarantee it because it's a USB-C. They'll make sure every future DJI will work, that they do not have to release with every new model. They don't have to release new adapter, and I'm pretty sure that's the same logic Holyland is also using. So, and again, that was the primary reason why I went with Sony. I do not want like analog noise. Every time you, basically analog to digital conversion happening here one time, good. But after transmission, which is digital, so you do not have any loss or any noise, it has to be converted into analog again, transmitted. So that's DAC, digital to analog converter, that adds some noise. Then camera re-digitizes it from analog to digital. So I have two unnecessary conversion. With Sony, hopefully with the adapter, hopefully it is working, knock on wood, hopefully with that adapter and things, it should give me full digital transmission. And how do I know it is truly digital transmission? Because this camera can do something unique. It can do 4-channel audio transmission. 4-channel, meaning I put one receiver on camera top and I can have 4 microphones. That cannot happen over analog. That can only happen if you have digital data. So that is there. Big tech device of lakhs of money. Yeah, it's expensive. What do you think, should India capture Bangladeshi? Capture as in? Are you talking about kaputting the country? Hell no, that's a dumb idea. Look at the happiness for whoever gifted the camera, God bless him. Most probably him. Yeah, of course him. Like I have talked about it. I have talked about it. Who gave me the camera? My desktop. Again, that was also expensive. This same thing. Why did you make? Okay. We want to buy t-shirts. I wear the t-shirts called. I wear t-shirts. What? Buy t-shirts like what you're wearing. It's called t-shirt. It's look like t-shirt. I do not know what exactly you're talking about. Do you know anything about tertiary computers? Soviets have powerful binary computers instead of bits. See, I know everybody hates America, so anything America does, apparently somehow everybody else makes it even better. That's not reality. Again, survival is the only test of reality. Like this civilization was amazing. If it has the word was, it's already dead. Okay, it's not real. It's not useful. It cannot have was. That's the only thing you have to worry about. Is like, are you surviving in time? Yes or no. Everything else is secondary. Do not ever in your life confuse that part. Way too many people confuse that, where it's like, this or that, we recommend that. Lower than recommended. Okay, YouTube is recommending 2350. Okay, but right now I will not tamper with it. Let me take a screenshot. That might help me in the future. But again, I'm genuinely sorry. Like too much mess happened this time, man. Too much mess happened. No, add it to India and make West Bengal great again. Yeah, that's a very bad idea. Like genuinely bad, dangerously dumb idea. That's the same thing people are saying, like, India should have captured Pakistan when we had war. It's like, no, we would have gotten destroyed. It's like, think in this way. I keep saying that. That was the video about like, progress versus diversity. If people are low faith, it's the best thing you can do is distance from them. Again, imagine it this way, like Pakistan should have been swimming in money. They should have been sorted. They have the advantage in terms of language. They have one language. They have advantage in terms of basically resources. They have a lot of resources and sea borders, so they are not landlocked. They have those two luxury, and they have one religion. So everything, all things considered, they should be like swimming. They should be like, we good, we got this. But did they got this? No. So trust me, having those sort of people inside your country, you will just give your country a cancer. So that's the whole thing. If you are talking about ever integrating low trust society, you have to integrate them one by one. You do not want to integrate the whole goddamn society. It will kaput you. So that Rocket Lab share is personal thing. Yeah. Who gave English? Is China paper tiger? Again, if China goes boom boom with basically Taiwan, we'll know. We'll know. My gut feeling is that they're not really that good because again, who's their closest friend? Russia. What happened with Russia? The end. I mean, computer instead of I get that, man, what you are saying, but it's the same bullshit. I've seen so many times. It's like, just because it's American shit, it's like, bro, we use binary because it's most reliable, nothing else. Forget Pakistan, not a single Muslim country has anything good. You could say that, but I would say Saudi Arabia did figure out how to modernize without going abroad. Although they do not have what you call freedom and all that, but like, at least they have oil money, so they do have something good. So, yeah. That's the whole reality of it. If you do not have a high trust society, you have nothing. Like, can you imagine? Like, it was shocking to me that Pakistan had gotten 5x the money that Japan did. I was like, holy damn! Japan was shift deleted by nukes, and they still recovered on 1x. And Pakistan was like, they did not have any great war, but they still. I was like, sir, can you please give us the loan? Can you please give us the loan, sir? Sir, more loan, sir. So, yeah. That's the whole point. I'm in the computers. Yeah, and the reason why we don't want to do negative system, na power supply becomes a hassle. You have to deal with that. Like if you have like 0 to high level, it's easy, but you have a 0 to minus, it becomes difficult. Like to give you a context, right now the next generation of signaling is PAM4. So basically you have 4 levels, and that translates to 2-bit. Every pulse is 1 bit. With that, you can transmit a 2-bit in one pulse. So basically, in the time span of 4 bits, you can transmit 1 byte. That is the PCI 6.0 and the next generation of optical communication. And again, they never go into negative. It's hassle if you want to do with negative. And again, we have that positive negative thing, but generally it is done on analog domain. For example, your microphone, if you have that like XLR audio, it has that positive to negative thing. It makes sense in analog domain, not in digital domain. That's why we do not do that negative voltage rail. On paper it makes sense, but it's not that what you call logical. Again, we thought of it, we tried it, all of these things, that negative voltage rail and all that, and again, it's a thing you can buy. Heck, look into analog signal generator, you will find all of those things. It's just that in digital domain it's not that logical. It's so frustrating. Countries don't want to be independent from Middle East oil. Again, it's what you call economic incentive. It's messed up incentive, and again, it's people's fault. If people are dumb, you will be exploited. It's like nature's only rule. It's like thou shall not be dumb. If you're dumb, you die. Will IMAX remake the best of cinema? Hai? See, I have never seen something like that. It's like IMAX makes a movie great. It's not true. Good movie become better, and again, not better as in like the movie becomes better. It's just that presentation becomes better, as in like, okay, now I can see it clearly and all that. Heck, I went to Mumbai, and again, not for the movie, but I was in Mumbai watching this. What was the movie name? Dune 2, and I have to say, it was not that great. IMAX, not that great. I could count the resolution pixel as it was 2K digital projector, so it was really not that great. But it was IMAX, and like I got trolled. It would have been better for me to go to any theater that was like normal 4K, but such is life. Can India move away upper level trust? Like, I don't think so. So will I mess? Okay. Your actor preference should be like according to your mindset life. Which is no, that's not how it works. Like, see, I do not have that sort of investment. Again, when I was young, I used to be give a damn about it. But as I get older, I realized it's like it's entertainment. I do not have to give a damn about it. And again, I do not even give a damn about who is the producer, director, or anything like that. It's like I watched the movie. Did I enjoy it? Yes, awesome. If I did not, the end. There is nothing after. I'm not gonna like spend the time. Oh, Tenant is such a masterpiece. No, it was poo poo to me. Again, if you enjoyed the Tenant, awesome. I would have wished that would have happened to me. But again, I watched it. It did not resonate with me. No problem. I go separate. You're like, Interstellar is so amazing. I'm like, it triggered me in such a bad way. Like everybody was stupid in that movie. So I was like, nope, not for me. And again, if you enjoyed it, awesome. Now, what about this Oppenheimer? I enjoyed Oppenheimer. I enjoyed Oppenheimer. Now, if somebody else says that they did not enjoy Oppenheimer, I have no problem with that. Hey, you do you. It's all about resonance. It's all about like actually enjoying the thing that you are doing. And again, if you are spending time, if you are like actually putting effort into it, it would be better to enjoy it rather than to be miserable about it. So fundamentally, but again, I do not have that essence where it's like, oh, it's MCU, so all movie would be great, or it's a DCU, all movie would be poo poo. It's not like that. Da shall language sure sounds noble for some reason. Yeah, it's old English. So, how will internet work on Mars? Bases like manage delay. Oh, NASA has a program working on it. That delay packet, they have fixed it. That issue is, but meaning the foundation is sorted. That's sorted. How to move on from regret? My man, I do not know. I'm like, I have to say, this, so to say, year last from August basically, too many things happened. Too many. Like I kind of got overwhelmed and even crashed out on live stream. So things were not good. And again, I have to come to conclusion. Again, logical part of me had done that, not the emotional part. I know what I need to do. I have to just let it go. I have to accept this case as a cancer, whereas like it could end my life, or all the treatment expenditure that I'm doing, it could work. But I cannot bitch or moan about it. It is what it is. Why was Interstellar bad? I really liked it. See, you do not have to fight for it. You liked it, awesome, GG. But you have to have the guts to say that. It's like, hey, what the hell is happening? Oh, the cable was rubbing. Yeah, I was like, why the heck I'm getting this weird sound? Yeah. So if you enjoyed it, awesome. Like one of the things that really rubbed me was like, oh, we are getting the signal. Bro, you will not get a signal from black hole. Even if wavelength of radio can come out, it will not be decodable because frequency would have shifted. We like NASA has hard time dealing. What the hell? Did I got? Okay. Yeah, NASA had issue Europa mission or something like that. They did something like that, and because of what you call Doppler shift, they could not communicate. They had to switch the radio, shift the radio, software-defined radio to do that. If you are going where the time dilation is so strong, yeah, you cannot communicate. Like that beacon that they received, that beacon should not have been received under known laws of physics, because again, it's like if that radio is screaming at 100 megahertz, right? That's the wavelength. It would have been stretched out to 10 kilohertz. You can't decode a signal if it's stretched out that much. But they are like, oh, we received the beacon. I'm like, you are idiots. And there was a super smart AI in there that was doing the calculation. That should have been the first thing. Bro, writer smoked cocaine. You cannot communicate through it. So again, if you enjoyed it, awesome. That's the whole point of a movie. You watch it, you enjoy it. If you didn't, it's actually a waste of time. So that's why. Any latest movie watched? Yeah, that was Superman. I think that's the latest I watched. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you. Japan is high trust society because of its ethos, state with no diversity. Yeah, that makes it much easier. But again, you can say that technically that should have made half of Arab nations into swimming money, but it did not. That's just one vector. According to how I was watching a video, why Maggie is the Maggie is because comfort food quicker to make. It's not good for health. See, you should work as few hours as possible, not because like that's a good thing to do, it simply means you are efficient. So if you are doing a job and it's not your business where you are not going to be rewarded, do as few as quickly, basically focus on efficiency, everything else is secondary. If you are doing a job, if you are doing a business, focus everything on efficiency and then focus on doing overwork, because again you do not have the luxury of counting on someone else. So that is there. If you don't get Australia but you are a millionaire, India plans to become a sugar daddy at 50. No, 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 nothing which can bite back. I want like simple old school. I pay, I enjoy, I walk away. Nothing sugar daddy or something like that. Internet master topic for future. It's not that interesting. Studying English, docking scene was good. Again, no denying that from a spectacle point of view. It was a good spectacle move, although it did piss me off. One scene where they are showing that the ship and they're like they 3D printed it. I'm like, bro, were you so lazy? I am pretty sure I may have watched it in theater where it was like there is a hollow what dome, right? A dome that has glass, and they did not 3D print the inside, so it was a flat plate. I was like, bro, 3D printer, you could print it. And again, it's not that old. Like what, 15 years ago, we had 3D printer 20 years ago. They could have modeled something. So there was no shadow. It was like, dude. And again, in IMAX, it was like, this big. So I could just see it. Hey, wait a minute. They did not put anything inside. Heck, you watch behind the scene of Avenger, original Avenger, the first one. They are flat outs, like when Iron Man is flying through the city, they have tiny windows on the side, but they made sure there is geometry in the window, so it has that parallax effect. I was like, come on, I get it. I get that overhyping is like, oh, it's practical. It's like, bro, do practical properly. The worst rocket engine exhaust I've ever seen was in this Interstellar, where they're like, basically, I'm not even joking, it was a cheap ass flamethrower. I'm like, bro, buy a microjet engine. It's not expensive. People buy for a remote control car. Like, it's like, it's rocket engine. Have you seen rocket engine? It has oomph. It's like, and again, that could have made it awesome. Like, but it's like practical. It's like, bro, it's a flamethrower. It does not look like a rocket engine. You have to have mock diamonds. And again, it is easy to do. Remote control jet engines can do that, and it's not expensive. So again, it did not resonate with me. People were too dumb in that story. I was like, okay, it did not resonate with me. And again, Oppenheimer did. I enjoyed Oppenheimer a lot. So again, I do movie by movie, not what you call like this is the director, so I have to like everything. Nah. We can kaput them. Yeah, you can't do that. Again, it's possible country that diverse ethnic region become high trust society. I do not know. I don't even think so. SpaceX engineers have worked hard, got stock options. Now, next year, as SpaceX goes public, these employees will have generational money. I don't think that much. They will have money, no denying that, but not generational wealth. Not generational wealth. That is a different ball game, my man. In Ahiravat, your topic issue based always something to do. In Ahiravat, your work like issue topics based on there's all. See, Ahiravat is having issue with our vendors. Again, that's the thing I talked about. I show that image, right? Like a drill. How the heck a freaking mill like wandered that much? Like that's the issue. We just cannot get it manufactured. Like and everybody's like, yeah, sir, we can give you the parts, it's gonna be awesome, and then it's like we get kupu woo parts. It's like we are wasting years. So like I'm worried that we might run out of patent. Patent only lasts for 20 years, so we might run out of patent before we have an engine. So that's why I'm not talking too much about it anymore. Iron Man was one of the shot in SpaceX HQ. Lol. Parts of it. Yeah, yeah. Iron Man 2, not 1, 2. Iron Man 2 had that. Are you talking about takeoff scene? Yeah, yeah. It's like, see, there are things that did not, what you call, resonate well with me. Again, there is no deep dive necessary to it. It like either it resonate or did not resonate. It did not resonate for me, so no problem. Oh, one tiny thing I did do because again I'm trying to learn the USB cable. Again, I need long USB cable, so I bought this 10 Gbps cable. 10 Gbps meaning 1 gigabyte. So this was my old enclosure, but I think I may have overused it or did not stick it well. It was not the SSD inside was good, but it was barely giving like 100 Mbps or 50 Mbps. It was not connecting properly. So I was like, okay, let me try something else. So one step above 10 Gbps is 20, but problem with 20 is first you have to make sure that you have port. Second, it does not work on normal cable. It requires 20 Gbps or 40 Gbps cable because it has extra conductors. So I bought this. This is from Ugreen. Come on, Sony, focus on it. Oh yeah. Sony focusing, yeah. So this is from Ugrid. This is 20 Gbps, more expensive, but my motherboard has 120 Gbps port, and it has a very thick hard cable, and I connected that. Once I connected that, it was like, damn, like on SSD I'm getting 2 gigabytes per second read write speed, all the testing, all the benchmark. This puppy is like, I got this, I got this. And again, this time I put a heat pad. I'm not gonna open it again. I think I destroyed it, or at least warped it too many times, opening and closing. I was using it as a fidget toy. Thankfully, this has a screw and all that, so I'm just hoping it works. Now, I might buy a longer 40 Gbps cable because they have a retimer chip. The most worrying part to me is that USB cable on this camera, if it becomes finicky, again, it could be faulty cable, or it may be the nature of the beast that USB is not actually stable for long 2-3 meter cable, maybe. But I'm hopeful that if I can manage a retimer chip cable, it should last a long duration. As in, like, I connected my computer, it's robust. I cannot tell you how finicky my experience with USB-C is. Like, power, awesome, there is no discussion. But data, oh my god, it's bad. Like, it's never works. Like, I plug it in, it works. No, no. It's like sometimes it will do handshake, sometimes it will not. It's just bad. I think bro's gonna join DD party. Nah, bro, I'm gonna go to island. If you're dreaming, dream big. Who founded Ahiravat? Naveen did. What's the matter of most societies, ethics, religion, build trust? It's difficult. Again, you have to have safety, and you have to have abundance to build what you call I scratch your back, you scratch my back topology. Because again, it's a temporal thing. Brick by brick, over time, it gives you the idea of, like, hey, it's actually in my best interest to be kind to others, so to say. It's like a long-term gamble, so to say. BTech first year have advice for me to explore or something else. See, if you are doing BTech, you have already made your choice. Complete it. So, no need to marry, just adopt a child and be happy with it. Again, legally, it's not allowed in India. So, and again, on paper, yeah, you can do that. It's like, it will cost so much. I'm like, yeah, bro, it's not worth it. And again, I don't want it. Like, I don't want kids anymore. Just go to Thailand, lol. Again, I do not want to travel just for satisfaction. It's like, it's frustrating. Have you seen Thailand? It takes flight, man. And again, it's not like from my hometown to Thailand directly. I have to go from my hometown to maybe Calcutta, maybe Delhi, something like that, and then go. It's like, dude, it's too much hassle. Would you recommend mini PC? Mini PC is a, like, what you call, hey, you figured out full HD 60 fps from Hindi channel. Yeah, I did not figure out it. Like, I had to change the, what you call, streaming and all that. So again, it will take time. It will take time. I'm just hoping that it's not OBS, because I have updated OBS recently. So again, it is working reliably. So it's been very stable from now. So I think it may have been the OBS is trying to send a 60 fps, and it was eventually breaking that system. Maybe. I'm hoping. I am hoping. Your boy is hopeful. Your boy is hopeful. So that is there. Yeah. Mini PC. Yeah. Mini PC is a very, what you call, broader term. What mini PC? Like, how small? Is it a small form factor PC, or is it a complete unit? And what is your workload? So it's a kind of, a vague system. Tech America, you have donated 20 rupees to my channel. Thank you so much. But your message is showing message redacted. My apologies. I cannot read if the message is redacted. So sorry about that. Congratulations on new gear leaving. Bye bye. Yeah, thank you. Micron Modulus for 50 years. I do not get first in doing advice. Okay. Your cotton t-shirts. Yeah. Release the files. Sneak peek on the next interesting topic you're gonna do. Be a member and see it. You don't even need a sneak peek. All the 1 week ahead I do on my, like, this, what you say, what do you say, 1 week ahead of topics has already uploaded. Heck, today only I uploaded 12th, what will be launched on 12th. So 12th January. So yeah. Yes, bro, you had a chance to meet Stephen Hawkins there. Other than BTech, other than academia. See, a problem is there is a very good chance you might have taken out loan. If you have done that, the interest on that loan would be brutal. So might as well complete it. That's why I'm saying that. What do you think about quick commercial service like Blinkit and Zippo? It has its pros and cons. They went on a strike. Who? Okay, is degree worth in 2025 in the age of AI? Is degree relevant in more? See, if you have already made the jump, can you really do a undo? So that's the whole point. And again, there are certain fields where degree is absolutely priceless, like medical science. But other than that, it's like, at least watch the trailer. Murder My First best series on meditation. Yeah. I had thought of going to Singapore for a convention, but the overall cost was too high. Yeah, AI. And again, see, even if assume, right? Let's just say, knock on wood, that the gamble with Ahiravat pays off. Heck, let's go YOLO. What if I learn everything I can learn in Ahiravat? Ahiravat works, everything is awesome, awesome, and all that, and then I make my own engine. I have an idea, and again, if I can learn enough things from Ahiravat, it should be possible for me to make my own engine. Let's just say that works, and I am enough money. Let's just say money is not an issue, but here's the deal: time is an issue. Right, so like traveling from here to Singapore will not be like, okay, I woke up and I drive a car and 1 hour later I'm there. It's time would be the priceless thing. So it's not logical to travel just for that. Again, once in a while, it's a, good to cleanse your palate. But other than that, do you know about Leap 71? Yes, the video has been uploaded. It's available for members. Happy New Year. May your problems may come to end this year. I am hopeful. But again, this is the thing that I have to really master. I know it. I have not mastered it. So what I have to do is basically accept this case as a cancer. You do not fight with cancer. It is what it is. You do your best to get it treated. If it's not, you don't bitch about it. You make do with what time you have left. So that's what I'm trying to do now. Like, I really have to accept it internally. But let's just see what happens. If you were 18 again, would you do a degree? I don't want to become a doctor or a lawyer. See, I did not do degree in the first place. I am an artist, and would I do it again? Most likely, yes. Again, I'm like, there is only one decision that I made in February 2021 that I regret. Almost nothing else I regret. Nothing else. Yeah, I wasted some money here and there, but overall, your boy is good. Your boy got it. Only on February 2021 I destroyed my life. Everything else is within a margin of error, so to say. Unformable engine will not work with can you go to jail? See, you can go to jail in all cases, all of the cases. That's why it's called case. It's not mediation, all cases. Because again, they can charge you. It's like, okay, you have this money requirement. What do you think government does if you cannot pay the money requirement? So again, it's up to the government. Government can just say, okay, pay us 5 crore. What the hell? So things of that happens. So realistically, all things considered, things are what they are. I have to learn to live with it and like accept it. Like I'm going through books, and at this point in time, I'm realizing that I know everything I need to know. Need to know as in like from a maturity point of view, understanding point of view. I know those things. It's just that I'm not able to implement them. Like basically, I'm a basic bitch at this point in time, and I need to evolve. Where it's like, bro, that's cool, awesome. No disregard of the younger Anupam people, because again, he was suffering. But at some point, I have to become responsible. Where it's like, okay, it has to stop. Like, let's just assume worst case scenario. Let's say 2026 is my last year. Do I want to spend this last year of my life bitching about it, or do I want to enjoy it? So it's something like that. Make video on psychology and philosophy. Ooh, that's spicy. If you are poor, then you are dead. Yeah. I will tell Rashtra, recommend you the series. 5 stars unrealistic. Have you been to court? Have you been to court? Because I have, and they do things like that. And again, they will scale it up to what they think, not what is real. Like, you can give your income tax data. They're like, no, you have faked it. Like, I'm not joking. This actually happens. Not even joking. So yeah, they can just like, okay, F you. I was doing software engineering but switched to doing commercial HVAC. Now my peers are struggling to find jobs, though they are very talented and hardworking. Happy with my choice from Canada. Dude, physical job is not going anywhere anytime soon. So that was a wise decision. Reading books help fix brain rot. Yeah, that's why I'm reading it. It's just that I've reached saturation. Like, I've reached saturation where it's like, bro, I know what I need to know. It's just that implementation of it is what's missing. Will robot be able to do housework? Mind ever comprehend that robots in the house doing work like human? Not anytime soon. I would say at least 10 years. At least. But again, there is also a point of what we call quantum innovation. For example, if you had shown this phone, like what it is, basic phone, when smartphones started to actually appear, and I'm talking like early smartphone, like Sony Ericsson K810i, nobody would have believed it. This had more power than desktops of that time, but we have it right now. So you have to understand there is possibility of quantum leap, meaning nothing, 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 and boy, like I remember, like this is a new device. I remember when the first version of this was launched. If you had told me that this sort of device could exist, I would not have believed you, but it exists right now. So I think robots